Mind in the Making is really a transformational learning journey for families, for professionals, that really helps adults understand what the child development research is and really look at themselves first and what impact they're having on the children that they care for, their own children.
It's to present the research in a way that will spark families and professionals to get curious about the kids, to wonder what makes them tick.
They'll remember what you said, like, well, Miss Audrey said that it's Friday and we get to have ice cream. And you might have just said, well, we'll have ice cream on Friday. You know, like one Friday. But they hear what they hear. They remember everything.
Most parent education or parent support is, I'm the expert and you're the parent, and I will teach you what you need to know. Ours is really quite different.
The lead facilitators, they move around the room, they introduce themselves, they make things personal. So it's not like they're in charge and we're here. It's a circle. Rather than a square or a triangle, a circle continues.
It is so liberating to see people who are further along in their careers come up to me and say, wow, I've never been through anything like this before. I can't believe how much fun I'm having, how much I'm learning.
Videos, activities, other people's opinions, and taking from all of that what really works for children and for families.
Anyone who has interactions with any child could benefit from this. I think just life skills that all of us, I think, can improve upon that have the ability to transform our communities.
You know, seasoned elementary school teachers, community organizers, artists, law enforcement, libraries, museums, sometimes superintendents, sometimes family liaisons, and everybody comes together through the learning journey.
At first I thought, well, you know, I don't have a PhD, I don't have a doctorate, but all you have to do is be yourself. As soon as it's taught, you can incorporate it right into your life.
Then you're going to set a goal for yourself and how you will promote focus and self-control in other people. So here's your paradigm shift. You cannot set a goal for anybody else. So we put the accountability on ourselves in a really empowering way that influences the development of children.
This gives us concrete steps to take. So, yay!
Yes, do this. You know, it's fun and it's not like boring research.
When all of us are seeing the wonder of children's brain development, the wonder of the opportunity that we have with young children at such a critical point in their lives when the foundations of who they're going to become is being built, when all of us are creating that kind of life for every child, not just some children, not just our children, but every child, then we will have succeeded.
My hope for my community is that I'm able to share a difference, at least with one person, with the hope that it will create a ripple effect.
For information about Mind in the Making workshops, contact the Suncoast Campaign for Grade Level Reading by emailing info@gradelevelreadingsuncoast.net.